Follow these steps to use Grok 3 AI image generator. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box type in Grok 3 and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website x.ai. Now click on the option Try Now. Click on the option Sign In. Use Google, X or your email address and sign in to your Grok account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Now first, enable Grok 3. For that, click on this drop down and select the option Grok 3. Now here, you have to provide the prompt. Make sure you provide the prompt in detailed way so that you'll get satisfied result. Once you provide the prompt, you can click on this icon. Within seconds, it's gonna provide you the image that you were looking for. You can launch the image and then save it or copy it. If you're not satisfied with the image, you can again provide the prompt. So this is how you can use Grok 3 AI image generator. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.